Oh God, people, look how elderbigz dirty. Yeah, man. Farming not clean at all, you know, people. Yeah, man, I see it, people, clear. Clear, people. Telling us a long time I farm, you believe me now? Look round, show them my yard, because they feel like a joke. I know my yard, the people, see it there. Yeah, alright, see it? Potato all rotten off, clear. See it in the paper? Long time elderbigz I farm. Tell you, no? Yeah, my paper. I clean up back the land, my people. And some potato over there, I just run through the thing, you know? I make sure it's because if I left them in there. Alright, look at my paper. See? Look at my paper. Watch out. Jesus. My paper. This is all elderbigz fine for now. But actually the reap already, my people, you understand? So I just plow up the land to set back something, you understand, my people? I just root up a cassava, my people, look here. See it, my people? Yeah, man. This is cassava, my people. They used to make bammy. This is the thing that make bammy. See it, my people? Yeah. So we're gonna cook this. In the night time I cook them, my people. No joke. See it, my people? Yeah, man. Cassava, see it? Cassava. Right. Actually about 3 to 4 pounds at the people, or maybe more. But everything I peel and going up, but nothing now waste. Let me say. Nothing now waste, my people. Yes, my peeps, so I don't know. Elderbigz cultivation. I understand. Till the side, till the side, till the side. Yes, my peeps. So I'm checking out now. Clean up myself and get in the kitchen. Yes, my people, so I don't know. Elderbigz reaching at the kitchen. Cooking time, cooking now. I'm look at people. What am I farm this come from, people? You know what I mean? Good old cassava. Yes, man, I then used to make bammy. And I find 2 potato there to my people, you understand? Yeah. So you see it, my people? Yeah, man, I find a night dinner out of the ground. They mean the ground long time, you know, because I report a portion, my people. But through me, I go through and I plow up the soil, you know. Yeah, them actually come up. Some of the honor there, them come up. But anyway, I don't know. The big now itching at night and run road, you know, so. I don't know, my people. You have piece some cassava. You understand? Yeah, man. You can't show any pot because the pot not set on it. Because cassava, I have to go in a cold water, my people. Yeah, anyway, you put this in the warm water, hot water. You never cook tough like a honey and you have to pressure it. And on the meat, so you can't pressure. So, cold water, my people. Yeah, elderbigz not tell no lie. Ask anybody who feel like a lie, me I tell. Don't ask anybody about it. Yeah, man. Cold water. Okay, so I'm going to take my time and peel and put it in the water over here. So. Because I'm actually going to rinse it out first. Yeah, okay. You want to go and stay through my peep? See my peep? Yeah, man. Cassava. Yeah. So I'm going to go to and bust it, my people. You see it? I rest it now that now. Better wait about cooking on my people. See it? Take my time in the people because the knife is sharp, you know. See it? Yeah, soft, you know, people. You're so easy to make cut. You have some cassava, then tough and whole. You see them do? Tough and whole. I'm on elderbigz cultivation, my people. Yes, ja. Yeah, man. You say good people in the plant something in your yard. Yeah, man. No bother watch how long it take for grow, my people. So I carry this up on the fire now, my people. Just set it on the stove. Understand? You see it? Fire on there, my people. Yes, ja. So, clean up this now, my people. I'm going to do the flour before I put in them because they are very soft, you know, so I just deal with the flour before I do the potato. See it, my people? Them ready and laughing. I see them making off in teeth and wait for me. Yeah. Yeah, man. Thanks and praise again. Big up to my people and big up to the subscribers them, big up to the viewers them. Yeah, man, big up to the viewers them and the subscribers them. I understand, my people. Yeah, man, elderbigz there, man. Really appreciate for what I do for me. I understand. Yeah, man. I really appreciate it, my people. Don't know, I love man deal with, you know. Yeah, man, all the time for no bad mind. You understand, my people? No, sir. So, when I said, I'm gonna thumbs up the video them to who eat them thing, a Jamaican thing. Team mackerel and thing and thing. You understand, the people? Yeah, man. So, me have my little flour. Yeah, man, I don't know, big old pack, cause enough is enough. Cause my sister, the cassava there, and things, so. Whatever food that's said. You see me? The rest of the base, I some rings about my hand paper. And I did a clean up the thing, them just. I don't know. It's a cleanliness, a godliness. Yeah. Yes, ja. Thanks and praise again for that. I just want to see farming in my paper. Yeah, man, I saw some whole heap of seed today. Yeah, man. Plant out some okra today. And I saw some cabbage. I saw some pak chow, callaloo, sweet pepper, hot pepper, and tomato. And I actually plant some beetroot. So there's a whole heap of thing going to my paper. See it? Yeah, man, so they are there with the calming people. You see me? So I'm tired about the tight and so I cut off the fingernail in my people. Yeah, because finger is clean, you know. For you do them food business, you understand the people? Yeah, I can't get up and cook food with dirty fingernail and dirty hand. Worse, me doing the dirt. Yeah, man, me doing the dirt, people. I don't see what I'm going to feel, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Good, so I want to calm in the people. I want to calm in for on a white flour, so put the salt in it. Yeah, I want to put it on the pot. Yeah, forward the milk paper. I get a cup with some water. Get my little water, my people. Yeah. Got you need a little flour. And my people. Yeah. So I'd get a kind of use me in a lot of that. I'm going to tell you that, people. You know, there I can share. I could even piece. Mr. People. I could even piece of flour, man. Yeah, so, man. Some people going like us, they have one big old whack of food. They don't feel happy. Yeah, so my people, you know, if you have no big old whack of food, man, to happy yourself. Or if you share, I should say. Yeah, man. Share what you have, man. Share what you have, my people. You understand? Just give a little. The Bob Marley say, give a little. Yeah man, just like that. That's how I do local thing in my yard, you know. One plant a one banana tree, drop how me can drop in the earth. Meanwhile we asleep people, it a go and grow. Simple as that man. Meanwhile we asleep, it a go and grow. So I get up and watch the video and I say, boy, if I farm in here I go do, if you survive hungry I go kill you. Hungry I kill what? Nothing I go so. No follow nobody. No follow nobody my people. One thing farmer them out there plant them myself. Hungry kill them. They're not dead. Dead way. You see it? If you want pepper tree my people, put it on the yard. Here my people. This is not pepper tree. So when you're ready to go and market, at least that half of your list. Because you have pepper yard already. You understand, so I don't know. That's why I say elderbigz cultivation or the whole thing. Because I'm not ramping up paper. You know see my big so. Elderbigz no lady, no lazy at all. What I say I do? I'm not lazy. Look how much I say lady. Yeah man. See my paper so. I go through you now. See what I'm going with the sweet potato them. If they have no worm. You know what I mean? Like worm, them look a black thing there. Sometimes worm gone on them, but for me see them still, them alright. This is for you buy your sweet potato, my people. And you know see, I'm show you something. I'm showing you something. You sweet potato them are gonna have some hole like this. Like you see some little gap thing like this. And you go down in it, worm in them not good. Don't make you vendor them chicken on market. So if I'm a vendor, they're there right now where you subscribe and I like my channel and whatever and hear me say that. No bother bex because I don't know what's true. Yeah, don't bex, I don't know what's true me at all. We used to sell a market too. That's why I say elderbigz. Whole heap of things my people. No joke about it, so you see it? Go through with the sweet potato. Understand? Feed my pip. So I put him in the water, my people. Understand? Yeah. So the flour done, my people, and they just wait the water. Now boil up it. So you know, go put flour in a cold water, nothing no work out, so that's how you go. And a porridge cook. You know, want to dumpling a plaka. You understand me, people? Yeah. Just shine his light, shine for me. He takes a light for me. You know, sing and still no people, so nobody laugh for me. I do some it on, you know. Just love to make myself happy and vibes up, no matter what. When no food in the kitchen. Vibes are it. So I'm not going to stay through my peep. Yeah. Flour in a pot. Flour in a pot with peep. Yes, sir. I'm making a cartwheel tonight, people. Yeah. Oh, cartwheel. I don't want a big to big old dumpling people, you see it? Yeah. The dumpling them for little and neat in a plate. Because some people they can't cook them big old like it, man. No, they don't put mackerel, man. See, you're embarrassing. You don't see the people, look at cassava. See them? I'm not happy folding it, so it means that I take and drink it. This can't drink cassava, people. I couldn't work it, sir. Yes, ja. You know, your vibes, your settings, you know? Yeah, man, elderbigz style. Yes, my people, elderbigz style this. So, when I see the dumpling in them, I go for the potato and my people and flour. Enough work out to hold it for food, my people, okay? See, I have to take time now, because I know boiling water that. Oh God. See, one big old pot of food. And I just 1 pound of flour, my people. So when I smoke dumpling come out of 1 pound of flour. Yeah, man. You know, if you have a big old wok for say, yeah, you know, cook, you understand? Also, what I go? Get a little food and eat, man, on the business with nobody. What do you, man? Yes, the paper, elderbigz style. Jamaican settings, you understand? So my paper, I eat that, so I cover up this and make it go and cook. See, tin mackerel time, you know, people. When I drop mackerel in here, my people, tin mackerel we call it. You understand, see? And so elderbigz I go through. Take time cut up the onion. Yeah, see? You got too much of anything and other people, because I swear to no. And my mama man business, but you see seasoning dear bad. So I go take my time. You know, I go use up everything in one day. You see it, my people? I will make do more video, I don't know season. Because I can't cook on all seasoning and it make no sense, you know, people. It make no sense, man. It make no sense, my people. See? This a garlic like this, huh? This a ginger also. It's killing us, my people. Yep. Scotch bonnet pepper, well on there. I think we have one cut one already, you know. You see it and I wash him off. I think people want to rinse him off because you know what call bunny. Okay. Now this try to see them in so I step my time and skim him off. Yeah. One and two come out still. You see this? I keep them for plant my people, you understand? Yeah. Have a little piece of time. See it, my people? Yeah, man, I sweet pepper on the thing here, people. So nobody look for that. You know, I feel have everything like them, if you spice up your pot. This alone can spice your pot, my people. You see this? The pepper and the garlic. Trust me, you need to have nothing more. And I know what you me attack. Yeah, I know what you. We have some people going like say them can't cook if they don't have every ingredient. You understand? You don't have to have every ingredient. Once they can't buy sweet pepper, you see sweet pepper, you not buy it because it's too dear. Now make sure that you don't fry up your thing mackerel. Come on, man. Cut out that, man. Them peeps, so now look at that chair now. So see, I want that chair. I want that chair. That chair. I want that chair. See it on my people. Fine, now that chair, I go rinse him out. You see it? Wrong time is a pot of rain, people. Burn till it black. This when people say, you say you're black like a Dutchy pot. That's the matter about. Yeah, man, so I walk us in people. I don't know. Switch on that, my people, and make that water. You see what I'm going with the food pot in the meantime. The potato, then look. I need that fork. See it, my people? The cassava them. See it? Take time I mind my own business. See my people? Yeah. We have my people. Mash it and mash out, you know, people. No put it. Oh God, sweet potato that, you know. Broke up. Yes, just the one that you can boil out, because you know, don't cook it. Just attach the cover there, so. Hello? You can pull the cover now. Turn it down. Get my peep, so. Let's stay through my peep. Get my peep. Mackerel time. So I don't know, say the season cut up already, so. All the mackerel we deal with in my paper. My paper drain off the sauce. Hold on to my paper. Let me get the next dish. Okay. Don't know. As I'm telling you, it's the basic thing in a cooking. That's why people always check fingernails and them thing there. Because you have to in your food sometime like this. Always not a must. But anyway you take your fingernail and you clean. Yeah. Keep my paper, so I go throw and clean up my mackerel. Yeah. I just throw mackerel in a pot and cook. Also. Why do them thing different still people, but me don't like it so. Yeah, open up the mackerel and clean up the mackerel. Yeah, my peep. I show the mackerel. Get out what you can get out of the mackerel. Nice and easy like that, my people. But you know some people just rush and do what I'm do. So me have a next look on you know. Same process for you. Yeah, that are the smaller one, my people. So the big thing what you see, them sell them on the for cheap is, you see it's all 2-1 escape, you not escape at all. Them sell them for cheap is my people. And them sell them on for $100 or $110, depends some places. See my people? So when you can buy it, it's supermarket is cheaper still, so when you can buy it, I shop me buy it, so the shop price I'm telling you. Yeah man, tin mackerel nice and peep. So when you can try it, overseas people them. Yeah. Jamaican people to say whether yard or abroad. Not forcing enough to go eat one no eating but you don't know. Yeah. Elderbigz style, Jamaican style. People, you know say you see me I go talk it truth. You know say them say you know ackee and saltfish are national dish, you know, people. Yeah man, Jamaican national dish, you know, people. You understand? But me I tell you honest truth, you know. I think mackerel. Yeah? You know why I say that, my people? Look how saltfish expensive. When you talk it truth, my people, when you comments me and tell me, saltfish very expensive. You understand? Sometimes when a man can find $100 and go buy a tin mackerel and dash look at ackee night and he dinner ready. When ackee season out, the money when you have can buy a saltfish but he can buy a tin mackerel. You see my people? So, big up to the tin mackerel. Yes, Jack. I love tin mackerel. And I love chicken back. That no means I love ackee and saltfish, don't get me wrong. But I'm just giving my opinion. See my people? Yeah, so don't know me I'll force to burn up. Me over here chat at a radio station me out. Anyway, you see my people? You well hot. Well hot enough people. I have to do this fast and quick. Hold on, let me jar this in here my people because I have to go do this thing. Alright. You lock off his toast please, so now we're going up. The oil well hot, so you can see it. So that's one of the main reasons why I see the pot stay like this with people. Yeah, it burn or burn. Yeah. So you see it? Thank you Jesus. This is it. And we can let that this way. You wanna see it now? Running the mackerel. Yeah. What a day when tin mackerel making people. Alright. Nah bias. Nah go and let me a pretty boy fly or me born rich. Enough time tin mackerel meat and easy myself. Yeah man, you know that. You see look introduction with the woman there name. Miss Little. Oh yeah, cook. Last come mackerel and rice she said. Elderbigz a cook dumpling. And mackerel. Eat my pep. Yeah man. I'm go and stay through my pep. People. Just my people are running like a black pepper. Yeah. Don't need more than that. The sauce tonight, you know, people, I love typical ketchup tonight, said yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then we'll just have to turn it around. Yeah. Keep me pip. Yeah. So mackerel ready enough, people. Wipe out my fork. See what I'm going over here, so I know. Ooh. Alright, my people. See it? Pretty tire now. Good. When you see that, you can eat. You don't have to bother going up there. Oh, man, ready, man. Lock him up, because I'm going to kill me. Across that. So I'm going to catch him for the next side, my people. And my people. Run out some food. Me and my fans. Or I should say my fans them. You understand, so I don't know my people. Cassava. I two things I gotta share the food no people. Fork and spoon, you know why? See that? The fork can't take up that. Take a break. So I'm not gonna share the sardine with my people, so when we see what I go on. See it? So I'm just go and share some food. Mackerel in a plate. Again a 2 spoons I go using this. Some people don't really love when them dumpling flood with gravy, so I don't know what they do it, but my one I feel a whole heap of gravy, my people. So elderbigz a pinch it as you can share, my people. Yeah man, it's all about sharing, my people. Yeah man. I have to share, I love sharing. Most of them don't want no food. And they never tell me so they don't want no food. My elderbigz cook, they don't want food. Okay. Elderbigz no buy no tomato and no sweet pepper. That's why I don't see mackerel over pretty. But that now, but me fight my food. I swear to one of my people. No, but me fight for me food. Yeah man. So when I see it my pet, elderbigz are showing us a one love thing. Yeah man. The food have to share, man. Have to share. I could even gravy and flour. What I say? We're not getting nobody source of flour to eat neither. No way. Not there. You rather me do that. But never hear me people come in here and give them source of food. No. I'm not grow some, I'm not grow them way there. See my people? You see, so I show you mackerel them. Elderbigz make it a share so you see it. Look over here, so. I want to see what come out of the mackerel. So you see it, my people? Yes, everybody I got to use up their mouth. So those 4 fans there, them the outside, so I feed them that. Yes, my people. So when you don't know, you I go see me eating no food tonight now. No? You understand, guys? What do you want? Dumpling and mackerel. I'm going to show you what I go on. Yes, my people. So, one love, blessing.